Solved questions. Algebra. Chapter 6, Part 2. Questions 9 to 16. 9. Solve the equations. 3x minus 4y is equal to 6z minus 16. Equation 1. 4x minus y minus z is equal to 5. Equation 2. X is equal to 3y plus 2z minus 1. Equation 3. From equation 1 we have 3x minus 4y minus 6z is equal to minus 16. Equation 4. From equation 3 we have x minus 3y minus 2z is equal to minus 2. Equation 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 1 and equation 5 by 3 we have 3x minus 4y minus 6z is equal to minus 16 and 3x minus 9y minus 6z is equal to minus 6. Subtracting, cut 3x and 6z to 6z. So 5y is equal to minus 10 or y is equal to minus 10 by 5 is equal to minus 2. Putting the value of y in equation 4, 4x plus 2 minus z is equal to 5 or 4x minus z is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Equation 6. Again putting the value of y in equation 4, we have 3x plus 8 minus 6z is equal to minus 16 or 3x minus 6z is equal to minus 16 minus 8 is equal to minus 24 or x minus 2z is equal to minus 8. Equation 7. Multiplying equation 6 by 2 and equation 7 by 1 we have 8x minus 2z is equal to 6 and x minus 2z is equal to minus 8. Subtracting 7x is equal to 14 or x is equal to 14 by 7 is equal to 2. Now putting the value of x in equation 6 we have 8 minus z is equal to 3 or minus z is equal to 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5 minus minus plus. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 5. Answer 10. Solve the equations. 5x plus 2y is equal to 14. Equation 1. Y minus 6z is equal to minus 15. Equation 2. X plus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Equation 3. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 2 we have 5x plus 2y is equal to 14 and 2y minus 12z is equal to minus 30. Subtracting, cut 2y to 2y, 5x plus 12z is equal to 44. Equation 4. Again multiplying equation 2 by 2 and equation 3 by 1 we have 2y minus 12z is equal to minus 30. X plus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Subtracting minus x minus 13z is equal to minus 30 or x plus 13z is equal to 30. Equation 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 1 and equation 5 by 5 we have 5x plus 12z is equal to 44 and 5x plus 65z is equal to minus is equal to 150. Subtracting minus 53z is equal to minus 106 minus minus plus or z is equal to 106 by 53 is equal to 2. Putting the value of z in equation 4 we have 5x plus 24 is equal to 44 or 5x is equal to 44 minus 24 is equal to 20 or x is equal to 20 by 5 is equal to 4. Putting the value of x and z in equation 3 we have 4 plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2y is equal to minus 6 or y is equal to minus 6 by 2 is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 3 and z is equal to 2. Answer 11. Solve the equation x minus y by 5 is equal to 6. Equation 1. Y minus z by 7 is equal to 8. Equation 2. Z minus x by 2 is equal to 10. Equation 3. From equation 1, 5x minus y is equal to 30. Equation 4. From equation 2, 7y minus z is equal to 56. Equation 5. From equation 3, 2z minus x is equal to 20. Equation 6. Multiplying equation 4 by 7 and equation 5 by 1, we have 35x minus 7y is equal to 210 and 7y minus z is equal to 56. Adding 35x minus z is equal to 266. Equation 7. Multiplying equation 6 by 1 and equation 7 by 2, we have 2z minus x is equal to 20 and 70x minus 2z is equal to 532. Adding 69x is equal to 552 or x is equal to 552 by 69 is equal to 8. Putting the value of x in equation 6, we have 2z minus 8 is equal to 20 or 2z is equal to 20 plus 8 is equal to 28 or z is equal to 28 by 2 is equal to 14. Now putting the value of x in equation 4, we have 40 minus y is equal to 30 or minus y is equal to 30 minus 40 is equal to minus 10 minus plus. So x is equal to 8, y is equal to 10 and z is equal to 14. Answer. 12. Solve the equations. Y plus z by 4 is equal to z plus x by 3 is equal to x plus y by 2. Equation 1. And x plus y plus z is equal to 27. Equation 2. From equation 1 we have 3y plus 3z is equal to 4z plus 4x or 3y plus 3z minus 4z minus 4x is equal to 0 or minus 4x plus 3y minus z is equal to 0. Equation 3. Again from equation 1 we have 2z plus 2x is equal to 3x plus 3y or 2z plus 2x minus 3x minus 3y is equal to 0 or minus x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. Equation 4. Adding equation 2 and equation 3, we have minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 27. Equation 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 1 and equation 2 by 2, we have 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 54 and minus x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. Subtracting 3x plus 5y is equal to 54. Equation 6. By adding equation 5 and equation 6, we have 9y is equal to 81 or y is equal to 81 by 9 is equal to 9. Putting the value of y in equation 5, we have minus 3x plus 36 is equal to 27 or minus 3x is equal to 27 minus 36 is equal to minus 9 minus plus or x is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. Now putting the value of x and y in equation 2, we have 3 plus 9 plus z is equal to 27 or 12 plus z is equal to 27 or is equal to 27 minus 12 is equal to 15. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9 and z is equal to 15. Answer. 13. Solve the equations. Y minus z by 3 is equal to y minus x by 2 is equal to 5z minus 4x. Equation 1. And y plus z is equal to 2x plus 1. Equation 2. From equation 1 we have 2y minus z is equal to 3y minus x or 2y minus 2z is equal to 3y minus 3x or 2y minus 2z minus 3y plus 3x is equal to 0 or 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 0. Equation 3. Again from equation 1 we have y minus x is equal to 2, 5z minus 4x or y minus x is equal to 10z minus 8x or y minus x minus 10z plus 8x is equal to 0 or 7x plus y minus 10z is equal to 0. Equation 4. From equation 2 we have y plus z minus 2x is equal to 1 or minus 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Equation 5. Adding equation 3 and equation 4, we have 10x minus 12z is equal to 0 or 5x minus 6z is equal to 0. Equation 6. Adding equation 3 and equation 5, we have x minus z is equal to 1. Equation 7. Multiplying equation 6 by 1 and equation 7 by 5, we have 5x minus 6z is equal to 0 and 5x minus 5z is equal to 5. Subtracting minus z is equal to minus 5 minus minus plus. Putting the value of z in equation 7, we have x minus 5 is equal to 1, or x is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Now putting the value of x and z in equation 3, we have 18 minus y minus 10 is equal to 0, or 8 minus y is equal to 0, or minus y is equal to minus 8 minus minus plus. So x is equal to 6, y is equal to 8, and z is equal to 5. Answer. 14. Solve the equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, equation 1. 2z minus y is equal to 1, equation 2. 7x minus 9z is equal to 3, equation 3. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 3, we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. 6z minus 3y is equal to 3. Adding 2x plus 6z is equal to 8, equation 4. Multiplying equation 3 by 2 and equation 4 by 7, we have 14x minus 18z is equal to 6, and 14x plus 42z is equal to 56. Subtracting minus 60z is equal to minus 50, or z is equal to 50 by 60 is equal to 5 by 6. Putting the value of z in equation 3, we have 7x minus 45 by 6 is equal to 3, or 42x minus 45 is equal to 18, or 42x is equal to 18 plus 45 is equal to 63, or x is equal to 63 by 42 is equal to 3 by 2. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we have 6 by 2 plus 3y is equal to 5, or 6 plus 6y is equal to 10, or 6y is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, or y is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2, y is equal to 2 by 3, and z is equal to 5 by 6. Answer. 15. Solve the equations. 1 by 2 x plus z minus 5 is equal to y minus z is equal to 2x minus 11 is equal to 9 minus x plus 2z. Equation 1. From equation 1, we have x plus z minus 5 is equal to 2y minus 2z, or x plus z minus 2y plus 2z is equal to 5, or x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 5, equation 2. Again from equation 1, we have y minus z is equal to 2x minus 11, or 2x minus y plus z is equal to 11, equation 3. Again from equation 1, we have 2x minus 11 is equal to 9 minus x plus 2z, or 2x plus x plus 2z is equal to 9 plus 11, or 3x plus 2z is equal to 20, equation 4. Multiplying equation 2 by 1 and equation 3 by 2, we have x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 5, and 4x minus 2y plus 2z is equal to 22. Subtracting minus 3x plus z is equal to minus 17, or 3x minus z is equal to 17, equation 5. Subtracting equation 4 and equation 5, we have 3z is equal to 3, or z is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Putting the value of z in equation 5, we have 3x minus 1 is equal to 17, or 3x is equal to 17 plus 1 is equal to 18, or x is equal to 18 by 3 is equal to 6. Again putting the value of x and z in equation 3, we have 12 minus y plus 1 is equal to 11, or minus y plus 13 is equal to 11, or minus y is equal to 11 minus 13 is equal to minus 2 minus minus plus, or x is equal to 6, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 1. Answer. 16. Solve the equations. X plus 20 is equal to 3y by 2 plus 10 is equal to 2z plus 5 is equal to 110 minus y plus z. Equation 1. From equation 1, we have 2x plus 40 is equal to 3y plus 20, or 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20, equation 2. Again from equation 1 we have x minus 2z is equal to minus 15, equation 3. Again from equation 1 we have x plus y plus z is equal to 90, equation 4, and 3y plus 20 is equal to 4z plus 10, or 3y minus 4z is equal to minus 10, equation 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 3 and equation 5 by 1 we have 3x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 270, and 3y minus 4z is equal to minus 10. Subtracting 3x plus 7z is equal to 280, equation 6. Multiplying equation 3 by 3 and equation 6 by 1 we have 3x minus 6z is equal to minus 45, or 3x plus 7z is equal to 280. Subtracting minus 13z is equal to minus 325, minus plus, or z is equal to 325 by 13 is equal to 25. Now putting the value of z in equation 3 we have x minus 50 is equal to minus 15, or x is equal to minus 15 plus 50 is equal to 35. Again putting the value of z in equation 5 we have 3y minus 100 is equal to minus 10, or 3y is equal to 90, or y is equal to 90 by 3 is equal to 30. So x is equal to 35, y is equal to 30, and z is equal to 25, answer.